Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create a tuple in Python. Tuples are like lists, but with one key difference. They are immutable, which means once you create them, you can't change their contents. Let's now open PyCharm and create a new file. Let's first create a directory and name it as tuple. Right-click on the tuple directory, choose New Python file. Let's name it tuple_create. We are now ready to define our first tuple. Let's start by creating a simple tuple using round brackets. Let's define a variable, call it my_tuple equals within round brackets. Add the numbers 1, 2, 3. This creates a tuple with 3 integer elements. Let's print the tuple. We type print function inside brackets, pass my_tuple. When we run the program, it prints 1, 2, 3. This confirms we have created a valid tuple. Now here is something interesting. In Python, you don't always need parentheses to define a tuple. Let's create a new tuple called another_tuple. We type another_tuple equals 1, 2, 3. No brackets at all. Now let's print it. Print function, pass another_tuple. Run the program again. The output is still 1, 2, 3. That's right, commas alone are enough to define a tuple. Parentheses just make it more readable and help in complex expressions. Tuples can also store multiple data types, just like lists. Let's create a tuple with a string, a number, and a boolean. We type info_tuple equals within round brackets Ravi 25 true. Now let's print this. Print function, pass info_tuple. Run the program. The output is Ravi 25 true. So yes, Python allows mixed data types inside a tuple. Sometimes you might need an empty tuple. Let's type empty_tuple equals round brackets with nothing inside. Print it. Print within brackets, pass empty_tuple. Run the program. The output will be just 2 brackets like this. That's how you create an empty tuple. Now let's say creating a tuple with one item. This is very important. This is a common mistake, so let's be clear. If you type single_tuple equals round brackets and inside just the value 10, Python will treat that as an integer, not a tuple. Let's print type of single_tuple. You will see class integer. To create a tuple with just one item, you need a trailing comma. Let's rewrite it. Single_tuple equals 10 comma within round brackets. Now print the type. You'll see class tuple. So remember, a single item tuple needs a comma. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. We can create tuples using round brackets or just commas without brackets, with mixed data types as an empty tuple or with a single item using a trailing comma. Tuples are useful when you want to group values that should not change. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to access elements inside a tuple using indexing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.